Hey guys, welcome back to the Crypto Mastermind Show. Got some news to share with you. So this CIO from SWIFT is an absolute idiot. He does not know what he's talking about. He is intentionally misleading XRP community and the XRP army. Right? So what it says in this news article, SWIFT CIO questions Ripple and XRP's readiness for global banking standards. He questions whether the banks will accept XRP's external token for settlement over existing trusted instruments. So his name is Tom Zachek. I don't know how you say his name. He raised doubts about whether Ripple's technology and the XRP token can meet the standards global banks demand for cross-border settlement. This is an absolute joke, and I'm gonna show you why it's a joke. This guy is giving out misleading information. He's trying to throw off all these XRP holders, thinking that that XRP is not using SWIFT, but they are. And I'm gonna explain it to you in a minute. He says Zachek said some viewers view XRP as a natural bridge for payments, but he questioned whether banks will ever be comfortable outsourcing settlement finality to an external token. It makes no sense because almost every bank in the world is using Ripple tech. Alright? Almost every major bank is directly or indirectly connected with Ripple. So it makes absolutely no sense to what he's saying. And then he says here, the harder question is whether banks will ever be comfortable outsourcing settlement finality to a token that isn't a deposit, isn't regulated money, and doesn't sit on their balance sheet. Liquidity is one thing, legal enforceability is another. Well, XRP is fully regulated, so it makes no sense what he's saying. XRP is just a bridge asset. Yeah, this guy is an absolute moron. Well, he's just playing stupid. He doesn't want you to have your XRP, so he's trying to throw you off from holding your XRP. And I'm trying to prove to you that what he's telling you is a lie. He added that if tokenized deposits and regulated stablecoins achieve scale, banks may see little reason to pay a toll to an external asset like XRP when they can settle instruments they already use and trust. Well, they need XRP. It's not whether they want it, they need it. XRP's been around for years, man. Like, this guy's an absolute idiot. Yeah. I'm just exposing him. I can't even say his name properly. Zachek compared open blockchains to a fast engine with no cockpit, noting that they remain incomplete for institutional use without legal frameworks, privacy safeguards, and regulatory oversight. It just doesn't make any sense to what he's saying. Like, seriously, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they definitely got no institutional use, in my opinion. It's just absolutely ridiculous. I'm gonna show you that Ripple is already using SWIFT. Alright, there's a company called Tunes. Alright, Tunes enables banks to unlock mobile wallet payments via the existing SWIFT connectivity. Alright, so Tunes is like they're based out of Singapore. It's like a massive fintech company, so they got like digital wallets. Alright, they got 3 billion mobile wallets around the world, and they're connected to SWIFT. Alright, they got most of the currencies in the world. Yeah, as you can see here. Now here's the blockbuster bit. Alright, and Tunes is using Ripple technology. Right here, Tunes and Ripple expand global partnership to transform cross-border payments. There we go. So if Thunes is connected to SWIFT, alright, and Thunes is using Ripple tech, it couldn't be more obvious, right? Like, obviously Ripple is connected with SWIFT, and they're using Ripple technology. Like, it's right here. It says it right here, because Thunes is connected to the SWIFT, and Ripple is connected to Thunes, so they're all interconnected. So that what this guy said, the check, whatever his name is, he doesn't know what he's talking about. SWIFT CIO questions Ripple and XRP readiness for global banking standards. But does he not already realize that Thunes is already linked up with Ripple? He knows this, guys. He's just trying to throw you off. He's just trying to give out misleading information, you know. I hate people who do that. Because they don't want you to have XRP, yeah? That says here, you know, they got a near Ripple payments, they got a 90 plus payout markets, representing more than 90% coverage of the daily FX markets. This is exactly why you want to have XRP, yeah. And look at all these partners here, yeah. So Thunes, they accept like payment methods like Gcash, M-Pesa, Airtel, Alipay. They're all using Ripple technology, really, when you think about it. Indirectly, of course. I mean, do check out this website when you get the chance. And Thunes is gonna be hooking up Africa too, but I'm not gonna cover that because I did it in another video, so you can watch that. On the World Economic Forum website, right? Thunes, it says it right here. Thunes enables mobile wallet providers, platforms, payment service providers, money transfer operators, and banks to make financial services accessible worldwide. Since Thunes was established in 2016, it has facilitated real-time transactions for millions of people and businesses worldwide. And it says right here, headquarters, Singapore. They've been around. You see the keyword here, real-time transactions. Alright, those are all Ripple words. Liquidity hubs, real-time payments, atomic settlements, interoperability. When you hear all those words, those are all Ripple words. But they're just not telling you. You know what I mean? I mean, I've already proved it to you. It's right there. So anyway, I'm gonna end the show there. I mean, definitely get your crypto. Just hold on, you know, and you'll be exuberantly rich if you have the wherewithal. Anyway, Crypto Mastermind out.